Are you liking these Zgallerie canister dupes? Are you wondering how I made these? Well, stay tuned for today's Trash to Treasure video. Today's Trash to Treasure video is a Zgallerie dupe. And this dupe is inspired by a video that I saw Valerie from Valerie's Glam to Castle and Decor did a video on. And in her video, she used some empty liquor bottle, I think it was a wine bottle, to create a Zgallerie dupe. And I thought, oh my gosh, what a fabulous idea. So today's Trash to Treasure video is part of the Look for Less DIY challenge that is hosted by Yami over at the Latina next door. And we are going to take these plain looking empty bottles that I would have thrown out into trash, and we are going to upcycle them and turn them into treasure. So we are going to use this clear bottle, this empty bottle of Sky vodka, and a wine bottle, and we are going to use these Christmas ornaments to create our DIY. So keep watching. The first thing we're going to do is take our bottles outside and we are going to spray paint them white. So that is what I am doing here. We are using plain spray paint, white spray paint from Walmart, and we are going to paint our bottles white. Now I am painting these in my backyard because it was a sunny day and I knew they would dry really quickly. The only thing is my ground in the backyard is not completely even, so as you will see, I have some mishaps. Whoops. So now we have to pick it up and spray paint it again. We're going to try to get a consistent and even coat. Like I said, we're just using some plain 97-cents paint from Walmart. Watch it, watch it. Don't leave, it's gonna fall. Don't leave. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think it's gonna stay. Hopefully it stays. So while this is drying, we're going to go ahead and start our other, oops, I knew it was gonna fall. Oh well, back to the drawing board. We'll pick it up. We'll get our other bottle. We'll pick off the twigs and we'll start over. I will tell you guys, if you have a garage or you have a better place to spray paint your bottles, certainly do that. But it was really nice outside that day and it was sunny and I knew the bottles would dry quickly, so that's why I took them outside and just spray painted them in the backyard. In the end, I think it all came out really well, even though I had to go over them a few times and there were a few twigs here and there. I think our finished product is exactly what I needed. So after these dry, we are going on to our next step. So keep watching. So we have our bottles all painted. If you don't remember, these were our liquor bottles. So we have just painted some empty liquor bottles. This one has a kind of odd shape, so we're just going to turn it toward the front. And then we have this one here that is a little skinnier than all the rest. And this DIY was inspired by Valerie over at Valerie's Glamorous and Decor Castle. She thought up this unique idea and I absolutely loved it, and I decided to recreate it for my May Look for Less challenge. Our Look for Less Trash to Treasure Zgallerie inspired dupe was inspired by this photo here. I think our bottles are the perfect shape to mimic this Zgallerie dupe. So now we're going to put it all together. For vinyl that I use with my Cricut, and we're just going to wrap it around our liquor bottle. We're going to hot glue it in place, and then we're going to put our top on it. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we're going to take our silver vinyl and we are going to wrap it around our bottle like so. So we'll put a little glue here at the top and a little glue at the bottom. We're going to put just enough glue to close it. And be careful, because if you use a high temp glue gun like I do, your glue is going to be hot. When these Cleo canisters were available at Zgallerie, their cost was anywhere from $70 to $80, and we made ours for just the cost of some vinyl, maybe $4 in vinyl. Everything else was free because they already had it, and it just goes to show you what a little imagination will do to take something from trash and turn it into treasure. Alright guys, so here are our finished Zgallerie canister dupes. I think they look so nice on my bar cart. This is another bar area that I have in my lounge. You've seen my bar cart previously that I picked up from Overstock. But this was my original bar card area before I picked that up. So I think these look fantastic. I am loving the pop of white on my bar. Absolutely love it. I think these Zgallerie Dupe canisters go really well here. So I would like to thank Yami from the Latina next door for hosting this wonderful collaboration. It gets us thinking outside the box, and this is a recreation of a DIY that I saw Valerie in DECOR Castle, one that she did on her channel, And I did mine just a little bit differently. She used a little bit of bling in hers, and with mine, I just used metal, or the look of metal. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I will leave a link to Yami's channel in the description box down below, as well as a link to the playlist of all the participants. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you have liked what you've seen, and if so, I hope you stick around and consider becoming part of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. I'll leave a link for some other videos I think you might be interested in if you're new here. I have a summer decorating series that I am currently doing, and it is the summer coastal theme, like a modern Hamptons version. So if that's something you may be interested in, make sure you check out those links as well in the description box. So all right, my friends, that's all I have for you today. I hope you have an awesome day, and remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.